Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the 20 peso coin of the Philippines. But before we continue, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Okay guys, let's continue. This is the 20 peso coins of the Philippines. As you can see here, this is the portrait of Manuel L. Quezon. And over here, there's 20 peso coin. And at the other side, you will see here the 2025. That is the year. Then I will show you the reverse side of this coin. This is the Nilad plant, and this is the logo of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, and this one is the Malacañang Palace. Now let's continue. The 2025 20 peso coin is a standard circulation price from the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, BSP, New Generation Currency and GC Series. This bimetallic coin features Manuel L. Quezon on the obverse and the Malacañang Palace and Nilad plant on the reverse. Now let's talk about the coin details. Composition: bimetallic nickel-plated steel center, bronze-plated steel outer ring. Obverse: portrait of former President Manuel L. Quezon. Reverse: BSP logo, Malacañang Palace and Nilad plant. Security features: micro-printed details and laser engraving. Collector's info: high mint mark. Numismatic enthusiasts have noted a high mint mark or upper mint mark variation on certain 2025 release. Okay guys, I will show you this coin. This is upper mint mark. This is the mint mark on the upper side. Usually the coin like this one is the mint mark is over here at the lower, but this coin I am holding right now, the mint mark is here on the upper side. This one is year 2025. This is the first time I received a coin like this, upper mint mark, year 2025. Now let's continue. Special releases: while standard 20 pesos circulating coins are worth just 20 pesos, you can check official updates via the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas website to verify any limited edition. Now let's talk about the value. Because it is a highly circulated standard issue, its collector's or numismatic value is generally just its face value. Now let's talk about the collector's guide. To see confirmed valuation for the edge second high mint mark variant, check the Nomista catalog for 20 peso NGC coins. Okay guys, I will show you again. This coin is year 2025 on the upper side, and this one is upper mint mark is over here. Usually the mint mark is on the lower side. Now guys, I'm not sure if this is a collectible or not. Only the collectors can tell you if this one is a collectible. Okay, and also by the way, I will not mention any amount of this coin because, as I said earlier, I'm not sure if this is a collectible or not. Okay, so anyway, before I end, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Thank you.